All right, traders, Mike here with the watch list video for Thursday, December 14th. This is a daily of the SPY. It almost looks like a penny stock on 5-minute candles, right? Huge move today. The Dow is up like over 500 points. I believe the FOMC, came out with no change in interest rates, but intimated that they're done raising and we're going to start lowering in 2024, and that lit the market on fire. As I've been saying, and I'll continue to say, I still suck at FOMC days. I go to 5-minute candles here. I'm not taking something right into the announcement, right? So the market did this, and a lot of times you'll see a reversal and it'll do the other way. But certainly, if you were smart enough to see that headline that they're talking about, we're done and we're going to start lowering next year, probably did get long and had a great day. And hat tip to you. At no point did I feel like I wasn't chasing, and after this pop, right, and then it starts climbing higher, you know that Powell's going to come on, right, at 2:30, and God knows what he's going to say, and so I'm expecting maybe a reversal. So I literally didn't trade post FOMC announcement, which obviously makes me look like a moron because it absolutely ripped. And also makes it kind of difficult to put together a watch list when everything ran, right? But anyway, I do have a watch list for Thursday. You guys know I'm an intraday trader, so let me throw this over for those of you that don't. I don't hold anything overnight. So this list I'm getting ready to show you, I'll give you the brief version. Excuse me, it's stocks that are in play and that may give us a day trade tomorrow, right? Pause the video if you've never seen that and read it. But anyway, suffice it to say the overall market is red hot. I think a lot of shorts in this market are absolutely screwed, to put it bluntly, right? So what am I watching tomorrow? CVNA, another huge day. It's way extended, but I'm a day trader, so I'm going to have it on watch. SPCC. Doesn't look great on the daily, but had this big pop back here and then gave it all back, but then nice volume today, and I'll show you 5-minute candles. Very choppy, but at the end closed kind of strong. So I'm going to keep an eye on it tomorrow, but I'm absolutely not in love with that daily chart. PLAB, big pop today, and you still have potential catalysts up here, recent highs from the summer. So we're going to watch that one. Big Lots finally broke out today. Again, I've been watching this for several days, and I got 0 shares of it. The FOMC thing absolutely threw me off. INTS, it's way extended, way away from the moving averages, but you had this gap up here and then it sold off and it's showing great strength. So you may have some shorts caught in that thing. UPST, big breakout today, and a lot of shorts in it. This is one thing I didn't realize about UPST, or that might have been my top watch after FOMC. FinViz at least says 44% short. So while that's extended, that's going to be on my radar for several days going forward. CVNA, Carvana, also a lot of shorts. I had to pause this and throw a cough drop in. But anyway, 34% short for CVNA. And we've been watching this horizontal line here for a couple days, and then FOMC is what it took to absolutely rip it. But a lot of shorts in the name, so this one could absolutely continue. So that one goes on watch. STTK. Hang on a second here. All right, I cleaned it up a little bit. Anyway, gapped up today, sold off, but then ended up kind of moving at the end of the day. There is the intraday. I'm actually interested in this one over 5 and after hours, but it's trading at 460 right now, so who knows. Anyway, definitely want to keep our eyes on that one. JTAI. Had to pop a few days ago, red day, then a gap down, but a strong day today. Could give us a trade tomorrow. DRCT, man, it gave us that famous 30s entry we look for, and I forgot to look for it. So, I screwed up all around today. Just didn't catch anything, but that had a really nice 30 setup, which is something that we've been experimenting on as a group, right, in the chat room. Quickly show it to you. Straight down, we're looking for the first break of a previous 30-minute candles high, which would have been over 729, over this candles high right there. And I think it was 30 cents risk and went up, I don't know, $1.30 from there. So a big miss by me, but I think FOMC threw me off, or maybe I'm just a moron. I don't know. But we're going to watch that one again tomorrow because it did have a nice bounce. and it's certainly a recent runner. GME, another one with a lot of shorts. Let me try to look that up real quick while I'm babbling. FinViz says 24%. And had this gap down here on earnings, which may have really caught some shorts, right? And they might have added as it started to roll back over. So this one is definitely interesting. And then lastly, VIEW, View, had a big breakout today. That is one of the ideas I put forth, maybe the only idea I put forth today. And I called that one in chat. Well, I gave the idea. I don't know, gave the idea, however you want to word it. Right here, it put in 275 was the early high. So a 3/4 number and another catalyst on the chart above. And as it started to come back up, I said this might be worth a shot over 275. Worst case stop, I said 15 cents below at 260. So anyone that took that, it never did hit 260. And from 275, it went to 466. So that was actually a monster move. I didn't take it. So I feel like an idiot again, but massive move on 15 cents risk, went up like a couple bucks. So happy for anyone that got that. I did give that idea over the mic. And I'm going to put that, on watch tomorrow because of the big move today. Anyway, that's it for me. Not that fun putting a list together when the overall market just absolutely ripped, but hopefully we'll work together, find some gappers in the pre-market and catch some A+ setups in the morning. All right. Have a great night. We'll see you in chat.